Sandra from Vermilion, Ohio, has a question about attic ventilation.
Well, she already put a new roof on, but it has a ridge vent on it already, which sounds like a good thing. But Sandra writes, my gables were covered in 2011. The gas company blew in insulation. I guess up there the gas company sells insulation. But
Okay.
I had an attic fan, but it started leaking, so it was removed. And I do not have soffits, and I'd have to remove the blown-in insulation in the rafter to get to them if I did. So Sandra wants to know, is there another kind of ridge vent that would help with the ventilation in the attic?
No. You have a ridge vent, you have soffit vents.
Okay.
But you say you have to remove the insulation. Yeah, they probably packed it up really tight.
bet.
You got to get up there with a rake and pull it away from the soffits and put your soffit vents in. If not, then you can use air hawks on your roof, but that gives you penetrations, which could be a potential leak hazard, especially
like that
in
fan.
Ohio with the freezes.
Right.
So I don't want you to do that. The bottom line is someone has to go in the attic, pull the insulation away from the soffits, and put in some soffit vents. There's no other answer. The ridge vent's fine.
Because here's the question she's going to say, well, what about a gable vent?
Ridge vent's fine. Soffit vents are fine. Pull the insulation away.
Right.
That's
But
what
I'm
you have
saying
to do.
she's going to say, what if I need to get
understand.
another inlet, why don't I put a gable vent on
Because that's not going to work.
there? Right.
Right.
I got that.
That's why I just
I'm
wanna
just
go
trying
there.
to put all the possible alternatives out there. So
That's not an alternative. It's a non-ternative.
It's a non-ternative.
Is that right? Is that a new word?
We're adding a new word to the Tom Tynan
Non-ternative.
dictionary right now.
No, it's soffit vents, ridge vents, but just pull the insulation back. And what you do is you go up with a rake, something long-handled, and just kind of rake the stuff back. You only need this much airspace.
No. I love you, Tom, but you're wrong. What you're going to do is you're going to use this device. And you're going to call somebody and have
What
them
is
come
that?
and do
I
it.
don't have one.
Yeah. Yes, you do. Anyway, just get somebody to do it for you.
I don't like it.
All right. But you know what he does like? He likes answering your questions. When you visit HomeShowRadio.com, there's the Ask Tom form. You find it right there in the middle of the homepage. Fill it out, send it in. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live,
Ding.
or Sunday morning on Early Edition.